A very common question which may come to your mind while you are preparing your freelancing journey, or if you are planning to start your freelancing journey, that is, which freelancing website is good for you, or which service you should provide which can bring you a lot of clients, which can bring you a tons of money, etc. As you know that there are hundreds of websites are available over the internet from where you can start your freelancing journey. But the question is, which freelancing website is best suitable for you, or which service you should provide, right? And this is where we most of all who are beginners, we stuck here. So in this video we are going to cover this all, but before that let me introduce myself. Hey guys, this is Ayan Bishas and you are watching Creative Shiva. I'm a freelance graphics designer and video editor, and here I'm making this video to help you to build your very own freelancing career. I want to share my experience with you, what I have learned so far. So let's just jump into it. Let's get started. So if you ask me directly that which freelancing platform I suggest, or which is my favorite freelancing platform, then I will say that don't depend on these third-party freelancing platforms. Instead, build your very own freelancing agency, because I believe in it. Why? Now that's another topic and we will cover that later. But right now, right in this video, I am assuming that you are absolutely new to freelancing. You have zero earning, you have zero reviews, and I am assuming that you have never done any project yet, but still you want to start your freelancing journey. So how you can do that, or from where you can do that? Well, if you are in this criteria, in this above criteria, then I will strongly recommend you to go with Fiverr. I hope you guys are familiar with this term, Fiverr. This is a very well-known and popular freelancing website, and I hope you guys already know about it. But here is the thing that I heard many people are saying Fiverr is a low-paying freelancing platform. One cannot earn that much from Fiverr, etc. But believe me friends, this all are absolutely wrong. Okay, let me tell you my own story. I started my freelancing journey from Fiverr, and now I have my very own agency and I provide my service globally. And this all happens just because of Fiverr, because Fiverr not only helped me to get my first high ticket client, but also helped me to build confidence and to improve my skills. How? Let me explain. You see, popular websites like Upwork or Freelancer are nothing, just a big ocean of freelancers. I hope you guys already know about Upwork and freelancers. They both are very big name in freelancing industry, and they are just nothing but a big ocean of freelancers. Yes, it's true that you can indeed earn $500 or even $1,000 from a single logo design or web page design or video editing, but the chances of getting hired are like 1 in a million. Let me show you an example. You see, this is a recent project from freelancer.com, posted just 3 minutes ago, and already 69 freelancers are bidding on this. Oh my god, I mean 69 bidders. Can you imagine? Just 3 minutes, I mean just in 3 minutes already 69 bidders are already bidding on this project, on this particular project. All right, and let me tell you one thing, that these bidders are not beginners. They are extremely qualified bidders with high amount of reviews and work experience. All right, so just think yourself that why one can hire you instead of hiring those highly qualified freelancers. And one more thing here I want to add, that most of these platforms are not completely free at all. There was a time when they let the freelancers bid for free, but now as the competition is increasing day by day, they are changing their system to a paid system. I mean, to bid on any project, you must first buy connects. This is the term. And to bid in any project, you first need to buy connects, which will add to your connect balance, which will show on your profile. And here you can see each and every project has its own connect value. So let's say you want to bid on this one, and if you do so, they will charge you 6 connect deducting from your connect balance. All right, so to keep bidding on projects, you have to keep buying connects, although they provide 10 free connects per month, but that's too significantly less, right? Now my friends, I don't want to make you disappoint. Yes, earning is absolutely possible from this platform, and I too got many clients from Upwork and freelancer.com. But here my point is, if you are new in this field, like I said before, if you have 0 review or you have never done any project yet, then this platform are not meant for you. Now this is where Fiverr comes in. The biggest difference between Fiverr and these platforms are, here, I mean in Fiverr, you don't need to chase your client. You don't need to bid on any project. Instead of that, they will come to you directly. And this is the biggest benefit of Fiverr. Fiverr works exactly like a marketplace or shopping mall, where you will open a shop or gig, and people will come to your storefront to buy your service, right? And this is why I highly recommend Fiverr, especially if you are new to freelancing. This is not just a $5 service. You can earn a lot from Fiverr. Not only earning, but you can also get valuable reviews from your clients, which will definitely help you to build your confidence, which is very important to continue your freelancing journey. Because as you know, here you are your own boss. You don't have any boss. You are your own boss. You are everything. And so confidence is a very important thing which you need to continue your journey. All right, so you can build your confidence through Fiverr. You can start earning instantly, and you can use these reviews which you got from Fiverr. You can use these reviews and projects to build your own portfolio. And once you have a strong portfolio, then you can jump into these deep and big oceans like freelancer.com or upwork.com or 99 designs, etc. All right, but believe me friends, if you work hard in a proper way, then you don't need to go anywhere else. Fiverr itself can be enough for you to build a successful freelance career. All right, so what we are discussing, that if you ask me that which is my favorite freelancing platform, or which one I recommend, then obviously I will recommend you to go with Fiverr. Start your journey with Fiverr. And can you really get high paid project from Fiverr? This was our second doubt, and I will say yes, absolutely, it is possible if you provide valuable service. Now valuable service means, here I am not talking about low paid $5 service like image background removal or keyword research or email scraping by using some ready-made softwares. I am not talking about this. Here I am talking about providing valuable service which have a very strong demand in market. And now here I will show you 3 of my favorite high paid service which helps me a lot to build my freelancing career, and which are highly demanded service in market right now or at this time. Okay, but not today, not in this video. I mean, I'm going to pause this video right here right now. I will cover this topic on my next video, so just keep watching, stay tuned, and thank you for watching this video. If you really like this video, if you really like this content, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and make sure you press the bell icon to get notified whenever I publish a new video. All right, and if you really like this video, then don't forget to share this video with your friends and do comments on my video. Share your opinion with me, because I would really love to hear your opinion on this. All right, so just keep watching, stay tuned. Very soon I will come with another video. Till then, goodbye.